written by Oliver Sacks, The Man Who Mistook His Wife for a Hat, is a fascinating exploration of the human mind and its complexities. Sacks delves into the intricacies of neurological disorders, revealing just how delicate and intricate our brain's wiring truly is. The human body is a remarkable machine, a marvel of biological engineering. Every part, from the smallest cell to the largest organ, works in harmony to keep us alive and functioning. It is capable of amazing things, from the extraordinary feats of athletes to the miraculous process of healing after an injury. Our bodies are constantly working, adapting and overcoming challenges. But how does it all work? What is the underlying mechanism that allows us to perform such incredible tasks? How do we move, think and feel? These fundamental questions have intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. The answer lies in a complex and fascinating network called the nervous system. This intricate system is the command center of our bodies, orchestrating every action and reaction. Imagine a vast network of wires connecting every part of your body to a central hub. This is your nervous system, a sophisticated communication network that ensures every part of your body is in sync. This is your nervous system, a marvel of biological engineering that allows us to interact with the world around us. It is a communication superhighway, constantly buzzing with electrical and chemical signals. These signals are the language of the nervous system, transmitting information at lightning speed. These signals carry information from your brain to your body and back again. They are responsible for everything from the simplest reflexes to the most complex thoughts. The nervous system controls everything you do, from breathing and blinking to solving math problems and dreaming. It is the master controller, ensuring that every function of your body is performed seamlessly. It is responsible for your senses, your movements and your thoughts. Every sensation you feel, every movement you make, and every thought you have is processed by this incredible network. Without it, you would not be able to experience the world around you. The nervous system allows us to perceive our environment, learn from it, and interact with it in meaningful ways. The nervous system is a marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the human body. It is a system that is both delicate and resilient, capable of adapting to new challenges and recovering from injuries. It is a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the human body. The more we learn about the nervous system, the more we appreciate the intricate design and the remarkable capabilities of our own bodies. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, or CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. These two systems work in harmony to ensure that your body functions smoothly and efficiently. The CNS is like the CEO of your body. It makes all the big decisions. Just as a CEO oversees the operations of a company, the CNS oversees the operations of your body, ensuring that everything runs according to plan. The PNS is like the managers and workers. They carry out the CEO's orders. These orders are essential for the day-to-day operations of your body, from moving your muscles to sensing the world around you. The CNS is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain, located in your skull, is the most complex organ in your body. The brain is the control center of the nervous system. It receives information from the body, processes it, and sends out instructions. This processing involves interpreting sensory information, making decisions, and coordinating actions. The spinal cord is a long, thin bundle of nerves that carries messages between the brain and the rest of the body. It acts as a highway for information, ensuring that messages travel quickly and efficiently. The PNS is made up of all the nerves that branch out from the CNS. These nerves extend to every part of your body, forming a vast network that connects the CNS to your limbs and organs. These nerves travel to every part of your body, connecting your brain to your muscles, organs and senses. They ensure that your brain can communicate with your body, allowing you to move, feel and respond to your environment. They are like the messengers of the nervous system, carrying information to and from the brain. These messages are transmitted through electrical impulses which travel along the nerves at incredible speeds. Together, the CNS and PNS work together seamlessly to control all the functions of your body. This collaboration ensures that your body can respond to changes in the environment, maintain homeostasis, and perform complex tasks. They are a powerful team, keeping you alive and functioning every second of every day. From the simplest reflexes to the most complex thoughts, the CNS and PNS are always at work, ensuring that your body operates at its best. The CNS and PNS are not just separate entities, they are deeply interconnected. The brain relies on the PNS to gather information from the body and to execute its commands. Without the PNS, the brain would be isolated, unable to interact with the world. The PNS is divided into two main parts: the sensory division and the motor division. The sensory division collects information from the senses and sends it to the CNS. The motor division carries instructions from the CNS to the muscles and glands. The sensory division allows you to experience the world around you. It gathers information from your senses such as sight, sound, touch, taste and smell, and sends it to the brain for processing. The motor division, on the other hand, is responsible for movement. It carries instructions from the brain to the muscles, enabling you to perform actions, from simple movements like walking to complex tasks like playing a musical instrument. The coordination between the CNS and PNS is essential for survival. This intricate system allows you to react to danger, perform daily activities, and engage in complex behaviors. It is a testament to the incredible design and functionality of the human body. The peripheral nervous system has two main divisions, the sensory division and the motor division. The sensory division is responsible for gathering information from the world around us. It is how we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Imagine you're holding a flower. The sensory nerves in your fingertips send signals to your brain about the flower's soft petals and delicate stem. Your eyes send signals about its vibrant color and intricate shape. Your nose detects its sweet fragrance. All of this sensory information is carried by the peripheral nerves to the brain. The brain then processes this information and creates a complete picture of the flower in your mind. This is how we experience the world around us. Section 4. Moving to the music of nerves. The motor division of the peripheral nervous system is responsible for movement. It carries signals from the brain to the muscles, telling them when and how to move. When you decide to pick up the flower, your brain sends signals down your spinal cord and through your peripheral nerves to the muscles in your arm and hand. These signals tell your muscles to contract and relax in a specific sequence, allowing you to lift the flower smoothly and gracefully. The motor division controls all of our voluntary movements, from walking and talking to writing and playing the piano. It is a complex and finely tuned system that allows us to interact with the world around us. Section 5. The Symphony of Stress, a personal story. Deep within the peripheral nervous system lies the autonomic nervous system, or ANS. This intricate network is responsible for regulating many of our body's involuntary functions, ensuring that we can go about our daily lives without having to consciously think about every breath we take or every beat of our heart. This system controls our body's automatic functions, the ones we don't have to think about, like breathing, digestion, and heart rate. Imagine if we had to remind ourselves to breathe or to digest our food. Life would be incredibly exhausting. The ANS takes care of these essential tasks seamlessly. The ANS has two parts, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. These two components work in tandem to maintain balance within our bodies, responding to different stimuli and ensuring that we can adapt to various situations. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for the fight or flight response. This is an evolutionary mechanism that has helped humans survive for millennia, preparing the body to either confront a threat or escape from it. This is the body's natural reaction to danger. When faced with a sudden threat, our bodies undergo a series of rapid changes, all orchestrated by the sympathetic nervous system. I remember once, while walking in the woods, I came across a large, snarling dog. It was an unexpected and frightening encounter that triggered an immediate response from my sympathetic nervous system. My heart began to race, My breath quickened and my muscles tensed. These physiological changes were my body's way of preparing me to deal with the potential threat in front of me. This was my sympathetic nervous system kicking into gear, preparing me to either fight the dog or flee to safety. In those moments, my mind was racing, evaluating the best course of action to ensure my survival. Thankfully, the dog was on a leash, and the situation resolved peacefully. The owner quickly pulled the dog back, and I was able to continue my walk without further incident. But the experience left a lasting impression on me, highlighting the powerful and immediate effects of the sympathetic nervous system. It made me appreciate the complexity and efficiency of our body's response mechanisms and how they are designed to protect us in times of danger. Reflecting on this, I realized how often we take these automatic responses for granted, not fully understanding the intricate processes that keep us safe and functioning every day. Section 6. The balancing act of life. While the sympathetic nervous system revs us up for action, the parasympathetic nervous system calms us down. It's responsible for the rest and digest response, slowing our heart rate, lowering our blood pressure, and promoting digestion. The sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems work together to maintain a state of balance in the body, known as homeostasis. This balance is essential for our health and well-being. The brain plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis. It receives information from the body about things like temperature, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. If any of these levels are out of whack, the brain sends out signals through the nervous system to bring them back into balance.